Okay, have you ever noticed how, like, when someone yawns near you, you just can't help it? You yawn too? Isn't it weird, huh? You know why that happens? It's actually because of empathy. Your brain has these things called mirror neurons, and they're, designed to copy what others are feeling. So when someone yawns, your brain's like, oh, they're tired, maybe I'm tired too. And next thing you know, you're yawning too. You know what's more interesting? It doesn't happen with everyone. You're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you feel connected to, like a friend or family member. So yeah, the next time you yawn back at someone, it's not just biology, it's like your brain's way of saying, hey, I get you.